quick sneak video. If any of you, like myself, do you like that show?
I used to. It's a bit meh now, but
Okay. So
I appreciate it.
we are talking about the Vicar of Dibley. I love the Vicar of Dibley. I've got all the series of them and the specials, and
Well, should we go to Turvin?
I love to watch them. We could do.
Little tiny single track roads.
Yeah, we could do.
Right. Okay.
So what we are waffling on about is, oh yeah, we told you the Vicar of Dibley. So in the beginning, the opening shots of the Vicar of Dibley, the helicopter or the camera pans over a motorway with a hill cut out of it and a bridge going across and a motorway running through it. And this is the road where it was filmed.
Yep.
And we are coming up to the part where you'll see that.
Where it pans over the Oxfordshire countryside. What's here on the M40 at junction 6?
So the Vicar of Dibley is filmed in this area.
Yeah, filmed a couple of miles to the west.
And it's filmed in a village called Turville. And we are going to take you through Turville.
Yeah.
So this is a bit of a Vicar of Dibley special.
You get past this camper van and pull down.
Yes.
Past this anyway. Then I will need my phone, or your phone actually, because I need to roughly remember where to go, because it's easy to get off at that junction, but we'll come down this bit. Can't remember where it starts. I think it starts pretty much in the cut, and then goes off in fades. The Aston Rowan Bridge. Then where it opens up in the distance is what you can see. Yeah, just relax. This is Dorian finding out what driving on the M40 is like. It's stop start. There's no point trying to rush.
And as we come through the dugout bits, here we come into the countryside of Oxfordshire.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is all that you can see. I can't remember which way the helicopter goes now.
Yeah, I can't remember. I'd have to watch it
But
again.
this is definitely that bit. So,
Yes.
right, if you want, then we'll stop now because
Okay.
we've got to go into it via Watlington now, not
Yes.
via Ibston. And yeah, I'll let Dorian chatter away.
Yep, well, we get to the village.
What do you see? I think it's too late. So we are just coming out of Watlington onto the notorious Watlington Hill because we couldn't go the easy way because we've already gone past it.
It's a lovely straight road.
It is, apart from the cyclists.
Coming in either direction.
Yeah. I've had a vacuum from this road as well, but I couldn't tell you what it was. This is where we used to drive when I'd like just passed my test because I had friends that lived in one. So we used to go cruising around up in the country. I've come this way to work before when it's been an utterly horrendous day. Oh, wipers. Yeah. I sat on the top of that hill as well.
What's that on the hill? Is it a cutout?
Yeah, it's the Watlington Nature Reserve bit.
It's not the big horse, is it?
No.
Ah.
I don't think so. Yeah, there's a parking bit up here. You can go walk around. That's the Ridgeway Walk. If there's any ramblers watching you and they know of the Ridgeway, we've just driven past where this road cuts it. We used to go off-roading on it before they stopped it.
Where are you going on that bike? You're on the other side of the road. You're not in France, mate.
Yeah. Right, I'm going to stop there because I need to remember where to go. But yeah, I thought I'd take Dorian.
It's beautiful.
Yeah. We're going into the depth. This is a big road.
Oh, God.
It only gets smaller from here. Only gets a lot smaller. Yeah, this is up in the... We just come up the top of the hill now. Yeah, how brave do you feel about this corner? Oh, it'll be alright. We're still climbing, I think.
Yeah, my ears are popping.
Alright, let's come back. We got something more interesting to look at when we go up onto the hill.
So I'll just leave it to
One of the dogging
forward.
spots actually. We'll try and find one of the dogging. Probably won't get bored this time.
Yeah.
I imagine we'll drive back. It'll be quicker to go back to Stoke Church than to back down that bit of the motorway.
Okay, so here we are in the village where the Vicar of Dibley was filmed. There is the church there behind Sam's head. If I pan around, there's some houses, and then there is the pub, which is just there, we're going to go into. So let's go up to the church. Now, one of these houses was Geraldine's house.
Sure.
Possibly it's that one. I think it's that one with that front door. I'm sure it's that one. Seems to ring a bell. Or could it be this one?
Yes, it's that one, isn't it?
Yeah, it's that one.
Oh, there's a thing there. There's the windmill from Chitty Bang Bang.
Oh,
That's the windmill from Chitty Bang Bang.
oh wow! There you are.
I
Two
didn't see
things
it, yeah.
for the price of one. The Chitty Chitty Bing.
Bang Bang. But the original one. Americans are going to love this.
Ha!
It's where it's a wedding and where that's they're all about to pile out the church.
Throw the rice.
I don't know how anybody ever complains about church bells.
That's beautiful.
I'm not a religious man,
But that's still pretty.
they're lovely, yeah.
Yes, that was very pretty, and I'm positive I've seen lots of shots of the vicar standing by that door. In
Now
the
it's got us
series.
how it's gone downhill.
So there we go, the Vicar of Dibley. Let's take a quick look.
Yes, this is where it was all the internal. They changed that half, didn't they? Put a different one up.
Yeah, that was
Well,
after the
didn't
yeah, there was a storm.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, that's amazing. That was amazing to see it. No, we didn't plan that at all. They just started ringing the bells. Yeah. Took we're trying to get in quietly. So we were in the vestibule of the church where Vicar of Dibley was filmed. So let's go back out and let's take a look.
There's the car park there. We want to be facing that way out anyway, because we'll go and catch the Stoken Church to Barlow Road
Okay.
and just go back on ourselves a few miles. But
I can smell coal. Someone's burning coal. Smells lovely.
It's combusted.
Probably, yeah.
That battery, that probably was fucked as well.
It's a tiny, lovely little village.
Yeah, I think there's somebody else managed it.
Ah, yeah, in the same car. And it was older.
That's a nice thing for you now.
Dog's loose.
Dog food. So there we go, on our little side mission to what you see behind us, so that being a separate video on my channel.
Mm-hmm.
He's done a bit of tourism.
Yeah, a little bit of the Vicar of Dibley for you guys, so I hope you enjoyed.
Lunch.
Yeah, that was a really nice pub.
It was a very nice road, and you'll have seen from in the sped up shots that tractor, that took 20 minutes.
That was a nightmare,
We were
because it was
chatting to
just
the
sort of
car,
like there were more cars coming up behind.
Welcome to the countryside.
Tell you what, a nightmare. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed. Please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Link to Sam's channel will be in the video description, so go and check it out and subscribe. And we'll see you guys very soon. Bye.